sunset in Vegas? Not too bad. You know, Jet, sexiest rider on the planet. I'm just gonna say it. Yep, women like him. He's got fame, he's got money. Nothing to bitch about. People don't hate you, they just root against you because they want a good racing. Eli Tomac, everybody's favorite. Sure, he's a stud. He'll be there too. Just like Carmichael, everybody hated him. In the end, they all loved him. Stewart, same thing. Every winner gets the same treatment. Tomac, same thing. But you're still young. Every guy wants to be you. Every woman wants you. Nothing to cry about, my friend. Americans love you. Maybe you're gonna have to do the donations on the American team one day. Pay us back for all the riches you made. Off of us. Just kidding. I know that's true. You would have been wealthy whatever you did. Love that kid. Sexy monster. Vegas in the evening. Ain't no problem with this. I'm old, still having fun out here on a bike. This is what it's all about. Just cruising around for a long ride. This dirt was perfect today. Thank you for the gift, my man.